Welcome to our assembly video. I'm going to show you how to put together this mobile 12-section cubby storage. Begin by interlocking parts 5 and 6. Attach part 1 to the top and part 4 to the bottom by inserting the dowels in their holes and then attaching with screws. Bring parts 2 and 3 and attach to the unit by screwing in the screws. Begin inserting your back pieces, parts 8, 9, and 10. Use a screwdriver to screw in the screws on the back. Note that we do not recommend using an electric screwdriver. This unit comes with optional casters to make the locker mobile. Easily attach casters with 4 respective screws per caster. This unit also comes with an anti-tipping kit for added safety if you opt not to use the casters. Slide in your shelf dividers, part 7. And this completes the assembly of your mobile 12-section cubby storage.